Joey, do you want some? Hi, Joey. Hi.
Hang on. This was a full glass.
Oh my gosh.
You need more? Hey, do you need more?
Yep.
I let me tilt it. There. Okay, sweet boy.
He's gonna drown.
He's making noises.
Because he
He's
can't
going-
breathe. Because he can't
You done?
breathe.
Do you want more?
Let it snow. Let it snow. Whoa, I just realized something I
Are
can
you
do on my
cold now?
phone.
Do you want some?
Mom. Mom. Mom.
She has never. Remember the times we've tried to get her to drink out of stuff on trips?
It's because Tuesday did it.
Her face is shoved in the glass.
Her face is too big. She can't get in.
Okay, well, this actually kind of concerns me and makes me think that they're probably completely out of water. Could you go check on that, please?
Yes.
And just put the ice in their bowl?
That was great.